The idea of a switch is to carry local traffic. So the switch not only just connects us to a router over here, but it also carries traffic between these PCs. These PCs don't need to go to the router in order to talk to each other. They can talk to each other through the switch. How do they do it, or how do they address each other? Well, they don't do so using an IP address because that is for network-to-network traffic. They do so using the MAC address. So here's the MAC address, and it's 6 bytes long, and if this computer wants to talk to this computer, it would address it by this MAC address. It would send that information to the switch saying who it wants to talk to, and the switch in turn would send it on down to this computer. Now, the unit, or the protocol data unit, that the switch handles is called a frame. The frame is what carries the MAC address, and here it is. You can see it has a preamble and start of frame delimiter, and then a destination address. Now 6 bytes here tells us that this is a MAC address. So the destination MAC address, a source MAC address, a VLAN tag so it can keep track of what VLAN this particular port belongs to, and then either the type or the length depending on what type of frame it is. There are different types. Finally, the big 9,000 byte payload here. In other words, the actual information that this frame's trying to carry, and then something called a frame check sequence, or a cyclical redundancy check, so that we can detect if there's something wrong with this frame. So that is how the switch, that's how the switch do. That it's designed to carry local traffic, and that's how it does it.